Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Sign into the Google account you'll use and make sure Google Drive has enough free space for your chats and media. Open WhatsApp, tap More Options, then Settings to move forward. Once done, verify your phone number matches the account you plan to back up to. This prevents mismatched backups. Now tap Chats and choose Chat Backup to begin creating the link between WhatsApp and Google Drive. You'll now choose how WhatsApp stores backups. Tap Backup to Google Drive and pick a frequency. Daily is safest for active chats. Make sure the right Google account is selected so backups land in the expected drive. Decide whether to include videos. Include them only if you have space or want full restores. Once configured, hit Backup to start an immediate backup. This creates the initial backup file and confirms settings for future automated saves. To finish, reinstall or install WhatsApp on the device you're restoring to. When you verify your phone number, WhatsApp automatically detects the Google Drive backup and prompts you to restore. Accept and wait for messages and media to download. Make sure you stay on Wi-Fi if you included videos. If restore fails, check Google Drive storage, confirm WhatsApp has Drive and contacts permissions, and ensure the account and phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.